Okay, hi, welcome to another MyMaths walkthrough. This is 238 arithmetic sequences. Arithmetic sequences just means that it's going to go up in the same amount every single time. It can also go down in the same amount as well as going up. You're just going to go up in a negative number, which is a bit weird. But there we go. So if I look at these sequences, first question is which of these are arithmetic? Well, you can see this one goes add 1 and then add 1 again, but then you add 2 here. So this is not an arithmetic sequence, so we've got to cross on that one. This one is add 6, add 6, add 6. This is an arithmetic sequences because I'm always adding 6, and the next one's going to be 26. This one's 53 to 54 is take away 9, and then 44 to 35 is also take away 9, and 35 to 26 is also take away 9. So all these are going down by 9 every time. It is an arithmetic sequence. 2 to 6 is add 4, 6 to 18 is not add 4, it's add 12, 18 to 54 is clearly not add 4, it's add 36, so this is not an arithmetic sequence. 2 down to minus 6, so you go down 2, then another 6, that's down 8, then you're going back up from minus 6 to 18, so that's going up by 24, so this is definitely not an arithmetic sequence. This one is add 5, then add 6, then add 7, not another arithmetic sequence, even though it's quite an easy pattern, add 5, add 6, add 7, add 8, add 9, add 10, not an arithmetic sequence because it's got to go up in the same amount every single time. This one's gone down by 4, that's down by 4, that's down by 4, this one is an arithmetic sequence, and the final one is going up by 5, then going up by 5 again, then going up by 5 again, so definitely an arithmetic sequence. Okay, hard word to say. So that's all you're looking for when you're looking at arithmetic sequences. Does it always go up or down in the same amount every single time? When I look at the nth terms, this is called the nth term here. I just have to understand this means this is your 4 times table, and then you've got to add 4 to get the numbers in the sequence. So the first number in the 4 times table is 4, but then you've got to add this 4 on as well. So 4 add 4 is 8 for the first number. The second number in the 4 times table is 2 4s are 8. And then you add 4 and you get 12. Third number in the 4 times table is 12, but then you add this 4 and that's 16. The fourth number in the 4 times table is 16, and then add 4 is 20. And the fifth number in the 4 times table is 20, add this 4 is 24. So that's all it is for arithmetic sequences. It's the times tables, which is indicated by this bit, and then you add on or take away whatever it says at the end to get the numbers in the sequence. First number in the 6 times table is 6, then you've got to take away 2, so we get 4 here. Second number in the 6 times table is 12, take away 2 is 10. 18, take away 2 is 16. 6 4s, 24, take away 2 is 22. And 5 6s are 30, so 30 take away 2 is 28. Okay. You'll notice once I've got the first number that all these are going up by 6 every time, which has got to be true because we're linking into the 6 times table. The last one on this page was to actually work out the nth term. So here we can see we're going up 7s every single time. Oh, are we? Sorry, not 7s, that was just rubbish. I don't know what I was even thinking about there. So what's that? That's going up 8, going up 8, going up 8, going up 8 every time. So it's going to be linked into the 8 times table. So straight away I can write 8n. And then I think about the 8 times table. The first number in the 8 times table is 8, but I wanted 15. Now, so to get from 8 to 15, I have to add 7. So to check the second one, so 2 8s are 16, add that 7 is going to be 23, which is the second number in this list, so it is the 8 times table plus 7. This one is gone down by 2 every time, so it's always going down 2, so it's actually the minus 2 times table, so we write minus 2n, and the minus 2 times table is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10, but the first one's minus 2, and to get from minus 2 up to 1, I have to add in 3. Now if I just check for the second one, so the second number in the 2 times table is 4, second number in the minus 2 times table is going to be minus 4, and minus 4 plus 3 is actually minus 1, which is what we've got there. So these are going to be the nth terms of the sequence. Page 2 is the sequence hidden in a picture, so we've got this pattern going on, and one of the first things I'm going to do is pull the numbers out. So we've got this pattern, and I've got blue, I'm looking at the blue beads and I'm looking at the black beads, to see what's going on. Now on the blue beads in the first pattern there's 4, so I'm just going to write out the sequence. I've got 4 for that one, then 2 4 6 in this one, 2 4 6 8 for that one, and then 2 4 6 8 10 for this one. So that means in the fifth pattern I'm actually going to have 12 for that one. And then in the black ones, I've got 3 for the first number, and then I've got 3, 6 for the next one, then I've got 9, then I've got 12, and then I'll have 15 because I've just gone up by 3 every single time. Now I've got the numbers out of the sequence, I can actually look at just the numbers now. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 is going up 2 every single time. So it's going to be linked to the 2 times table, so that's 2n. And then you think, how do you get from the 2 times table back to this sequence? Well, the first number in the 2 times table is obviously 2. And to get to 4, I've got to add 2, so I'm just going to put plus 2 there. And then I'll check, the second number in the 2 times table is actually 4, add 2 is 6, which is the number that I've got. The black ones, you can see 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, that's just the 3 times table, so I'm just going to write it for the black ones, it's just 3n. Then when I come down to this one, this is in the 29th one, 29th sequence, or 29th pattern, how many blues are you going to have? Well, we know the blues are just the 2 times table, so I do 2 29s, so the 29th number in the 2 times table is actually 2 29s is 58. And then I add 2 on to get 60, so the number of blue beads in the pattern is going to be 60. The black beads is just the 3 times table, so I've just got to do 3 56s, so that's 150 plus 18, 168 is going to be the answer for that one. And the total number of beads in the 40th is going to be made up of the blue beads and the black beads. So if I look at the 40th number in the 2 times table, that's 80 plus 2, so that's 82 blue beads plus, and then the 3 times table for the black beads, 3 40s are 120. So there's 82 blue beads, there's 120 black beads, which makes 202 beads all together. And that's it for linear sequences, or arithmetic sequences even. Not linear, arithmetic as they're calling it. It's just linking to your 2 times table, your times table, link what it goes up into your times tables. That's what you know. You should know your times tables, then think, how do I get from the times table back to the sequence? People mess this up by getting the 2 times table and then thinking, right, what do I do to the sequence to get down to the 2 times table, which is the wrong way of thinking about it. You've got to get from the times table itself up to the actual sequence. Okay, hope that helps. Good luck. Like, comment and share, subscribe, all that sort of thing. Bye now.